Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business storytelling visual mood using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load an image that already feels honest and grounded for the business story. I pause here intentionally because mood matters more than speed. I duplicate the layer first, keeping my workflow clean and professional. Now I open Camera Raw filter and slowly begin applying film grain. I stop midway and watch how the texture softly changes the emotion of the image. I adjust the grain size with care so it feels realistic and calm, not overwhelming. I zoom in to check key business elements and fine details, making sure clarity stays intact.